So in this problem here, we have sequences and series. To begin with, we have a simple sequence. It says work out the first three terms of this sequence, and we're given this here, equation for the nth term. All you do is put 1, 2 and 3 into there and find the first three terms of the sequence. If you put 1 in there, 1 squared is 1, so the first term is 101. If you put 2 in there, it becomes 4, second term is 104, and if you put 3 in there, you get 9, so the third term is 109. How many terms in the sequence are less than 200? Well, the number of terms is n, so we need to make an equation that says n squared plus 100 is less than 200, and solve the equation. Move that there, it becomes n squared is less than 100, square root, so it becomes n squared, so it becomes n is less than 10. There's no plus minus because you can't get a number that's negative. The number of the term cannot be negative. Less than 10 means there are 9 terms less than 100. Now, next question, we have a geometric sequence. Show that the common ratio is 0.8. The common ratio is how to get from one number to another. Because it's a geometric series, if we divide the next term by the previous term, it gives you the common ratio. Any two terms in sequence. Let's do that, divide by that. 360 divided by 450 is 36 over 45, which is equal to 4 over 5, which is 0.8. Find the sum to infinity of the series. Sum to infinity is a divided by 1 minus r. It's on the data sheet. 450 divided by 1 minus 0.8, or minus 4 over 5. That gives you 2250. Write the nth term of the series in the form p times q to the power n, where p and q are constants. Whenever they ask you for the nth term, just use the simple n equation, which is a r to the power n minus 1. Put everything inside except for n. That's what it means. We have a, we have the first term is 450. So that's equal to 450 to the power r, which is 0.8, all to the power n minus 1. Now, if you recall in surds and indices, when you have a power that's minus, it means this is actually, so keep the 450, 0.8 to the power n divided by 0.8 to the power 1. Now, divide these two and leave that one there. 450 divided by 0.8 is 562.5, and leave that there. 0.8 all to the power n. So p times q to the power n. Move on to the next one. The final part is an arithmetic series. We're given the first term a, and we're given the common difference d. Write down the expression for un. Again, just like I said here, nth term, un, it's all the same stuff. But it's an arithmetic series this time, so it's going to be un equals a plus n minus 1 d. Again, all these are on the data sheet. This is for an arithmetic series when you add to get the next term, not multiply like a geometric series. Now, substitute everything except for n. So we have the first term is 480 plus n minus 1. D is minus 10. Simplify that. You get 480 minus 10n plus 10. Simplify that, you get 490 minus 10, and that is the nth term of the sequence. Now I've told you that un is equal to 0 in the next part, so make it equal to 0. From that you can find n. See, simple equation. Now, move that to that side, divide both sides by 10, so n is equal to 49. It says find the value of, that's a sum equation, so we have a sum between n and k. The sum equation for an arithmetic series is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Substitute everything inside and find the value. We have n is 49 divided by 2, 2 times a, first term is 480, given in the question. N is 49 minus 1, all multiplied by the common difference of 10. Plug all these numbers in, and you should be getting a value of 11760.